How much does your job affect your quality of life? Do you feel every day so stressed and so exhausted that you cannot be the parent, the friend, the spouse, the person that you always wanted to be? Imagine how great will it be if you could regain control of your time and have peace of mind to truly enjoy your life right now rather than waiting, 20 or 30 years until retirement. My name is Patrick van Diemen, and in my last job I was a manager in a production company. It was a really demanding job and I had a lot on my shoulders, but I also had a great salary and very good benefits, which made me feel very comfortable and proud enough to stick around for years. You could say I had a successful career because for 10 years I gave my all to my job. All my time, all my energy, all my attention went into getting the best possible results for the company. And with the very little energy I had left, I wanted to be there for my 3 little kids, my wife, my friends and the rest of my family. But I wanted to have some time for myself and do the activities that I love to do. As you can imagine, life was very stressful and I was feeling exhausted and frustrated. I was not happy. But I didn't want to complain because my job paid for the bills and gave me security, while inside I was feeling trapped and guilty for not being able to be happy in this seemingly perfect life. Does any of this sound familiar to you? It's frustrating, isn't it? It's like the snowball effect. It starts small but grows massive over time. Even the relationship with my wife started to suffer and I was getting physically sick. This was not the example I wanted to set out for my kids. I knew my family had to come first over any demands of my professional career. Otherwise, I would regret it forever. Inspired by the books and the mentors I was studying on personal development, I realized I wanted to create abundance in every aspect of my life. I wanted to work in something I was passionate about, while being the parent that I always wanted to be. But I also wanted to have the time and the energy for myself to do the things that give me joy. Quickly, I figured that just changing jobs or starting a conventional business wouldn't give me the time freedom or the financial freedom that I wanted. But one day, watching a video of one of my personal development mentors on YouTube, an ad came up. This guy was talking about his online business and how easy it was for him to work from anywhere. As long as he had an internet connection and his laptop, he could work from wherever and whenever he wanted to. I was a bit familiar with this laptop lifestyle, but I never thought it could be something for me. Until now, I realized that if I wanted to create a different reality for myself in the future, I needed to start doing different things right now. Although I wasn't interested in traveling around the world for months at a time like the guy in the ad, I realized that this time flexibility will allow me to focus on the important things in my life, like spending quality time with my family and being there for them when they needed me. So I decided to take a closer look. After watching a series of videos that I got offered, I got really excited about this training program. But at the same time, I was a bit skeptical, maybe afraid that it wasn't for me or that I wouldn't be able to make it happen. But still, I decided to jump in and do the real training. There was no financial risk anyway. So I started the training and where I had the chance to reach out to the mentors and get in touch with the community. And then I knew this was exactly where I needed to be. This system was what I needed to reach my goals. Once you realize that this is a proven method to create automated income streams online while focusing on something you love to do, it all comes together. Plus, you get the mentorship of very successful entrepreneurs and the support of these like-minded people. I remember in my last job, I had to work with very negative-minded people who complained a lot. And I struggle with that every day to keep them motivated and to keep myself positive. Imagine how much more fun and how much more energy I have now that I get to work with this community of very passionate entrepreneurs helping each other succeed and living these inspiring lives. But hey, don't get me wrong, this is not some get-rich-quick scheme or a effortless money machine. This is about creating a real business for your future, which means hard work and investments. I know, I get it, this is not for everyone, but if you're still interested and you're ready to make a profound change in your life, click on the link, leave your email address and your name so I can give you access to a series of workshops where you can get started. If at any moment you decide this is not for you, no problem, you just can unsubscribe and you won't hear from me anymore. But please, never stop going after what makes you happy. Never settle for less than what you deserve. Like one of my mentors says, if you want more, you have to become more. So never stop working on your personal growth and never stop educating yourself. If after watching the workshops you still have some questions, feel free to reply on any of the emails and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm always glad to connect with people who feel inspired to improve their quality of life. Click on the link and let's get started. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to meeting you very soon. Bye bye.